Children, today we will see our fifth chapter, that is the human body. The human body is like a machine which is consists of millions of cells. The cell is just structural and functional unit of the life. Some type of cells join to form tissue. For example, bones and blood are the examples of tissue. Then some tissue join together to form organs: heart, lungs, brain, eye, kidney, stomach. All these are organs. And some organs join to form together organ system, that is digestive system, circulatory system, reproductive system, etc. Now we will see the sense organ. Our sense organs help us to know what is going on around us. First, we will see the sense organ eye. Eye are the sense of sight. From the moment we wake up in the morning, to the time we go to sleep at night, our eyes are acting like a video camera, which is looking what all is going on around us. The next sense organ is ear. Ear is help us to hear the sound. Also, ear is helping for the balancing of the body. When an object makes a noise, it sends the sound waves through the air. These sound waves enter to our ears. From there, they are carried to the brain. The brain tells us what sound we are hearing too. This is the function of the ear. The next sense organ is the nose. Nose is helping us to smell. As we breathe, the air enters through our nostrils. The cells in the nostrils send signal to the brain. The brain tells us what we are smelling. The next sense organ is our tongue. The tongue is helping us to taste the thing. There are taste buds in the tongue. There are 4 kinds of taste buds are there: sweet, sour, salty and bitter, which is helping us to know what kind of taste we are tasting. The next sense organ is our skin. The sense of touch is found all over our body. This is because our sense of touch originates in the bottom of layer of our skin, that is called the dermis. The dermis is filled with many nerve endings, which gives us information about the things with which our body comes in contact. They send message to the brain where the feeling is registered. The sense organs are the physical means by which we see, hear, smell, taste and touch. Each sense organ collects information about the world around us. Also, we get all our knowledge from our senses, and that is why our sense organs are important to us. Our sense organs are taking information and sending it to the brain for processing, and brain tell us what is going on around us. Children, this is the importance of the sense organs, and these are the function and work of the sense organ. You underline the important points and learn it. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.